good morning everyone. Let's start with the discussion of revision test. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. You will give answers. Okay, what you had filled in the tests. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Revision test PT3. Is it visible, Dhiren?
Yes, ma'am.
Panika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First page that you will get in exam also, when you get the first page, it will be of your admission number, roll number, name and class, as in the previous half yearly and PT1 also. Okay. And one thing important, that you will need a valid Gmail ID to attempt your test and to attempt your exam also. So make sure that you have your valid Gmail ID and your password. Okay, don't forget to have your password in your hand. Okay, you must remember the Gmail ID and password you will use to attempt your exam. It doesn't matter which phone number you are using, but it will matter which email ID or password you are using. Okay, so first of all, enter your admission number. 4-digit valid admission number should be there. Then your roll number. Then enter your name and choose your class. After this, you will click on next button and you will get the first section of multiple choice questions like this. Okay. Okay. What was the answer for the first question? Which of the following is an attribute of paragraph tag? Panika.
Align.
Align. Good. It is an align. Okay. Raise your hand so that I can unmute you. Ragun. Okay. Who is known as the founder of WWW? Jashan. Jashan, you raise the hand. Kindly give answer. Okay, Dia.
Ma'am, A option, Tim Berners-Lee.
Tim Berners-Lee. Good. It is Tim Berners-Lee. Okay. Kirti, next question is for you. Which key will you press to define source point in Photoshop? Yes. Which key will you press to define source point in Photoshop? If you want to define a source point for cloning, which key will you press? Laksh? Laksh, give answer. Jashan? Both of you had raised the hand.
Ma'am, Alt key.
Alt key. Correct. Very good. Alt key. Okay. Then which key help us to move image while it is zoomed in? When the image is already zoomed in, it is more than the full screen. Which key will you press to move it? Yes, Pragun? Pragun, unmute yourself and give answer. Which key will you press to move the image while the image is zoomed in?
Space bar key.
Good, very good. Space bar key. Already mark the answers, then click on next button. Every time when you click on next button, kindly take the screenshot of your screens. Do the screen recording as well as take the screenshot of your question answers what you had filled. Whatever answers you had marked, take the screenshot of that, then click on the next button. Then you will get the second section of the short answers. What is the full form of W3C and GML? Yes, Aman. What is the full form of W3C? Jasleen? Yes, Aman. What is the full form of W3C? Hiren, what is the full form of W3C?
Ma'am, World Wide Web Consortium.
World Wide Web Consortium. Then you have two options, two questions in the two parts in the question. Then you will write them in two separate lines, consortium. Then second, press enter key, type the B section, then give the second answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Jasleen, what is the full form of GML? Yes, Jasleen, what is the full form of GML? Arshpreet.
Ma'am, general markup language.
Okay, good. General markup language. Okay. Then click on the second question. What is the use of heading tag and name its attribute? Arshpreet, unmute yourself. What is the use of heading tag? Arshpreet.
Yes, ma'am. This
Yes.
tag is used to define different heading levels in HTML document.
Okay, a heading tag is used to define different heading levels, or you can say heading tag is used to define, to write text or to define text in different heading levels. And how many heading levels are there? How many heading levels are there? Yes, Aditya, how many heading levels are there?
6 heading levels.
6 heading levels. Very good. There are 6 levels of heading. Then second part is name its attribute. Which attribute is used with the heading tag? Yes, Divya. Divya, which attribute is used with the heading tag? Eva, unmute yourself and give answer. Which heading attribute is used? It's very easy. Which attribute is used with the heading tag? Okay. Nitesh is saying align attribute. Okay, good, very good, beta. Align attribute is correct. Align attribute is used with the heading tag. Okay, next question. Give any two examples of container tag as well as two examples of empty tag. Okay. Okay, Laksh. Unmute yourself. Milan, Mitansh. Give any two examples of container tag and two examples of empty tag. Yes. Okay, Divya. Okay, Panika. Give two examples of container tag.
Yes, ma'am. Container tag, HTML, title,
HTML title. Okay.
title, and empty tag, HR and BR.
HR and BR. Okay. Diya, can you give any other examples of container tags? HTML and title के अलावा?
Ma'am, head, font,
Head. Head or
font,
font. Okay, good. And any one example of empty tag? One more example I had given.
ma'am, yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, mark you.
Hmm?
Ma'am, mark you.
Marque. No, marque is not an empty tag. I had given some other example. IMG,
Ma'am, body.
IMG, image tag, that you will do. Image tag for inserting images in the web pages. That is also an empty tag. Okay. Okay. Next question. How will you delete a layer? Kindly, जिन बच्चों को बेटा unmute कर रही हूँ, आंसर पूछ रही हूँ, kindly unmute yourself and give answer and participate in the class. Aditya, unmute yourself. हाँ जी.
Double click on it and press delete.
बेटा डबल क्लिक करके डिलीट की कैसे प्रेस कर देंगे? डबल क्लिक करके तो हमारा रीनेम होता है. We rename a layer by double clicking on it. How will you delete a layer?
Delete. Ma'am, wait a minute, confusion.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, कुछ नहीं. Double click.
Okay. Anushka, Ashmeet, how will you delete a layer? Sahil, Renuka, unmute yourself, Raghav. Yes. How will you delete a layer? Raise your hand. Who can give answer? Okay, Jasleen, bolo beta.
Select the layer. Right click on it. Select the delete layer option
Okay.
from shortcut menu.
Correct. Right click on layer in layers panel. Click on layer in layers panel. A menu or shortcut menu will appear and choose delete layer option from shortcut menu. Okay, can you give some other method to delete a layer? Do you know any other method to delete a layer? One method is, okay, right click on the layer and choose the delete layer option. Any other method?
Shift plus control plus N.
Shift plus control plus
N.
N. Delete layer के लिए? No,
Yes, ma'am.
it is for inserting layer. That is the shortcut key for inserting a new layer. Can you give any other method by right click के अलावा कोई और method है delete layer करने के लिए? But there is a delete layer button in the layers panel
Ma'am,
at the
layers
bottom where
panel
there is
में
a new layer button, right? Second method is, yes, Dhiren, can you tell?
मैम लेयर्स पैनल में एक नीचे एक ऑप्शन है लेयर का डिलीट लेयर बटन है.
हाँ, उससे कैसे डिलीट
मैम
होगी?
सेकंड ऑप्शन है मैम लेयर को सिलेक्ट करना और फिर उस डिलीट ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना.
Correct. One method is click on the layer or select the layer in the layers panel and then click on delete layer button in the layers panel at the bottom. Okay. One method is right click on the layer, choose the delete layer option. Second method is select the layer and press the delete layer button or click the delete layer button at the bottom of layers panel. One method is more. Drag the layer and drop it on the delete layer button. Select the layer, drag it and drop it. See. Okay. Okay, can you see this Photoshop window now? Photoshop window nazar aa rahi hai? Yes, Diya? Okay. In the right hand side, on the right hand side here, you can see there is a layers panel. Can you see this layers panel? Layer 1 is there. Okay. One method is select the layer and here at the bottom there is a delete layer button. Select it and at the bottom there is a delete layer button. Here you can click on it. It will delete the layer. Second, drag the layer and drop it on delete layer button. This way also you can delete the layer. Okay. Okay. Come back to this revision test now. Is it visible? Is it visible? Google form is visible? Okay. Okay, how will you delete a layer? Right click on layer, choose the delete layer option. Second method, select the layer, click on the delete layer button. Third method, select the layer and drag it on the, drop it on the delete layer button in the layers panel. Okay. Okay, Arzu. Now give me the shortcut keys. Write the shortcut keys for following. All the questions are given at one place. Now next is write shortcut key in separate line. Here you will click and give answer one by one of the above question. Now write the shortcut key for type tool. What is the shortcut key for type tool? Okay, Arshpreet, Divya,
T.
T. Correct.
T.
Shortcut key for type tool is T. Press enter key. Type the second option. Give the second answer. Brush tool. What is the shortcut key for brush
B.
tool? B.
B.
Correct. Okay. Okay. Next is zoom out. Zoom.
Control minus.
Control minus.
Control minus. Correct. Control minus. Okay. Then
I'm control shift plus N.
insert new layer.
Shift.
Plus control plus N.
Shift plus
Shift
control
plus
plus
Control
N.
plus N.
plus N. Okay, shift plus control plus N. Write all the shortcut keys in separate line. Okay. Next question. Give menu commands for following. Here again, options are given and answers should be at one place. Write A. Give first answer to open hue and saturation dialog box. Okay, Ashpreet,
Image.
Yes, ma'am.
and open hue and saturation
Image
dialog
menu.
box. Image
Image
menu.
menu.
Okay.
Adjustment.
Adjustment.
Hue or saturation.
Hue and
Option.
saturation option. Okay, correct. Image menu, adjustment option, then hue and saturation option. Okay, then press enter key, then write the next question. Insert new layer. What is the command for inserting a new layer?
Layer menu.
Hmm?
New.
Hmm?
Layer
Option.
option.
Layer option. Layer menu, new layer option. Okay. Okay, then write the name the tool used for following. Name the tool used for following to darken the areas of the
Burn
image.
tool.
Anji?
Burn tool.
Burn tool.
Burn tool.
Burn tool. Okay, burn tool. Okay, next, second one.
Hand tool.
To move an image while the image is zoomed in. Hand tool.
Hand
Hand
tool.
tool.
Okay, good. Next, to improve the clarity of image.
Sharpen tool. Sharpen tool.
Sharpen tool. Okay.
Sharpen tool.
Okay. Better give answer one by one. Okay. Laksh Jairath, you were late. Okay, Nitish, Nitya, unmute yourself and give answer to repair imperfections like blemishes and scratches.
Spot healing brush tool.
Huh?
Spot
Better to repair imperfections.
Spot healing tool.
Spot healing brush tool or healing brush tool. Both can be used. Healing brush tool or spot healing brush tool. You can give any one answer. Okay. Okay, next is write the HTML code for following. Okay, I had given you full video on this one line code. Had you seen the video? Learned the coding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, what is the code for the first? To display happy birthday as bold, underline and in red color.
May I?
Okay,
May I?
नहीं बेटा धीरेन आपकी नहीं लगाना. आरजू.
मैम मैं
आरजू. Okay, Laksh Jairat.
मैम font tag color equals to red,
Font color equals to red. Okay.
tag close, bold tag,
Bold.
underline tag,
Underline tag.
happy birthday,
Okay, happy birthday.
uh,
And then
uh, underline tag close,
close underline tag in the opposite order, right? Then close
close close bold tag,
and then
close font tag.
close font tag. Correct. Okay. Font color equals to red. Then bold, underline. You can give all these three tags in any order. You can give bold, underline पहले दे सकते हैं, then font color use कर सकते हैं, font color पहले दे सकते हैं. It doesn't matter. But जिस order में भी tags open होंगे, close opposite order में होंगे. Okay. Okay, next is to draw a horizontal line in green color. Arzu, can you give answer now, beta? Arzu, can you give answer? आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है बेटा. Okay, anybody else? Kirti, Kritika, Nitish, unmute yourself and give answer. Don't type it only. Give answer. Pranay. Anji, what is the coding for to draw a horizontal line of green color? Okay, Arzu, you are not giving answer. Okay, Arshpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the coding for to draw a horizontal line?
HR color
Chart
equals to green.
color
Color
equals to
equals to
green.
green.
Okay, good. It is an empty tag. There will be no closing tag, no text to be displayed. Only HR tag will display the horizontal line. And to display in green color, we are using the attribute of color. Okay. Type all the questions. Revise them before clicking on the next button. Check them कि आपने क्या सारे आंसर फिल किए हैं, सारे आंसर टाइप हुए हैं, कोई आंसर गलत तो नहीं है. Then take the screenshot of your screen. अपनी screen का एक screenshot लो, हर section का screenshot लो. Okay. Then click on next button. Okay. Then click on next button. Or if your paper is finished, you are on last page, then click on submit button. Okay, when you get this answer, your response has been recorded. That means your paper has been properly submitted. Okay, take the screenshot. Don't forget to take the screenshot. Have a valid email ID. Okay. Okay, everyone, lower your hands so that I can take your attendance. Kindly switch on your cameras also. Okay. Anybody else who wants to ask anything, you can ask. If anybody wants to ask any query, any question that you didn't understand in the worksheet, or any other query, or any point, that any doubt that you want to clear, you can ask me now. You can raise your hand. Yes, Dhiren?
Ma'am, the color codes given in the HTML chapter will be asked in the exam.
No. Color code you will not learn, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji Jasleen? Yes, Jasleen, what you want to ask? Okay, Panika, Diya, Aman, Archita, any query, bache? Sarthak, Mitansh?
जो आपने लास्ट अभी टेस्ट का जो कोडिंग वाला क्वेश्चन था हॉरिजॉन्टल मैम आप एक्सप्लेन कर दो उसकी कोडिंग
Which question, beta? Which question? आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है ठीक से. टाइप करो, चैट में टाइप करो बेटा, चैट में टाइप करो,
कोडिंग
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन जिसमें ड्रॉ करनी थी लिंक.
Horizontal line, beta, HR tag is used for to draw the horizontal line, and you want to give a color, so color attribute is used, HR color equals to green.